Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, you are watching my channel Magical Statistics and it is lecture number 2 for the preparation of PPSC written statistics test. And in the last lecture, lecture number 1, we discussed probability and some basic concepts of probability. When we toss a coin or two coins and find the probability of occurrence of different events. Today in lecture number 2, I am going to start the same topic again and a very important question of playing cards. Some information I will give you about the cards, you will have to revise it. As you all know that total playing cards are 52 and out of these 52 there are two colors actually, red and black, half are red and half are black. Red cards are always 26 and black cards are also 26, and in these 52 cards there are some suits actually. Club, this is the shape, it consists of 3 flowers, 3 leaves, and this is 13 cards of club we have, 13 cards of heart we have, 13 cards of diamond we have, and 13 cards of spade we have. And in these 52 cards we have different numbers. The number 2 card, this is 4 times. 4 cards of number 2 we have, 4 cards for number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and 4 cards of jack and 4 cards of queen and 4 cards of king. There are 13 categories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the 13 is ace. I will write over here. If you multiply 13 with 4, because as I told you, every number, every card is 4 times. 2 is 4 times, 3 is 4 times, these all are 4 times, 13 fours are, that will be 52. Total cards are 52. This is the basic information for solving the questions of cards. Now start. Question number 12. Find the probability of spade. 13. Probability of diamond. Probability of 5 of club. 15th. Probability of 6 of heart. 16th, probability of 7 or diamond. 17th, probability of red card. 'It is question number 17th actually. 18th, probability of black card. 19th, probability of face card. 20th question, probability of 5 or king. These all questions we will have to answer. The first one is probability of spade. As I told you, out of 52, 13 cards we have of spade. Out of 52, it means probability will be 13 by 52. If we cut them, 13 ones are, 13 fours are. Last answer you will have to click on 1 over 4. Probability of diamond cards. Out of 52 we have 13 cards of diamond. 13 by 52, that will also be 1 by 4. Next is 5 of club. As I told you, we have 4 cards of number 5, and out of these 4, 1 is for club, 1 is for diamond, 1 is for heart, and 1 is for spade. It means, don't be confused in the paper, 4 cards of 5 we have, but out of these 4, 1 card of club we have, that will be 1 by 52. 6 of heart, there are 4 cards of 6, but out of these 4, 1 card is of heart we have, that will be 1 by 52. The next one is 7 or diamond. Here you will have to apply the union rule. Probability of A union B is always equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. How many cards of 7? These are 4. 4 by 52 actually, plus how many of diamond? These are 13 by 52 minus probability of A intersection B. 7 and diamond. What is common in these two? 1. There are 7 cards of total cards, and out of them 1 is of diamond. That will be 1 by 52. Total answer is 4 plus 13 is 17. 17 minus 1 is 16 by 52. You will have to cancel them and make the lowest term. Now, probability of red card. How many red? 26 out of 52. That will be 1 by 2. Probability of black cards. That will also be same. Probability of face cards. There are 3 categories of face cards. Jack, King and Queen. 4 plus 4 plus 4. There are 12 face cards out of 52. 12 over 52. You will have to divide them. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. That will be the last answer. Then the last one is 5 over King. Same rule of union you will have to apply. 4 over 52. Third, 4, King. King is also 4. 4 plus 4. 8 by 52 minus. Nothing is common in these two. It means 8 by 52, and you will cancel them. That will be 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 2 by 13. In this way, you can solve all these questions. Dear students, in the last lecture we discussed when we toss 2 coins and what will be the sample space. Today I have a question for you, a very important according to the paper point of view. Now we have a question of when 3 coins are tossed. 18th question. When 3 coins are tossed. What did I tell you last time? First of all, you will have to make a sample space in your mind or on the rough page. For example, suppose it is the same question, 2 coins are tossed, and if 2 coins are tossed, what was the formula? 2 power 2. It means 4. 4 outcomes are there. And what was the sample space for 2? That was both are head, both are tails. First is head, second is tail. First is tail, second is head. Now, for 3 coins, when 3 coins are tossed, the formula is 2 raised to power 3, that will be 8. For making these 8, first of all, you will have to suppose 2 coins are tossed and this is the sample space. Now, copy it over here again. Head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail and head. Now, these are 8. What will you do? H will be over here. Put H, head will be there for all these 4. And write tail over here with all these 4 answers. Now there are 8 outcomes when 3 coins are tossed. Now you can solve every question about this topic, about this question. The first one is probability of 3 heads. Next is at least 1 tail. Next is at most 2 heads. And you can see clearly probability of 3 heads. We are interested in 3 heads. And out of these 8, it is only 1 in which we have 3 heads. The probability will be 1 by 8. The next one is at least 1 tail. At least means go up. We are interested in 1 tail, 2 tails and 3 tails also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Answer will be 7 by 8. The next one is at most 2 heads. In at most you will come down. 2 heads are acceptable, 1 and 0. It is not acceptable. It is acceptable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Its answer will be 7 by 8. Dear students, this is the today's lecture. And if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, like my channel and share my channel. My channel is Magical Statistics. Assalamu alaikum.